There, my name is Brian,
And my name is AJ.
and today we're gonna open a Christmas present.
The name. This.
Yeah. Hello guys, this is my sister, Josel.
For Junjun.
Say hello. Yeah, say hello, motherfucker. It's off.
Oh, a fucking hat. I have a hat, bro.
Oh yeah.
Hat, bro.
Oh yes. Oh yes. What the fuck? What the fuck? I'm receiving this motherfucker insult gift. Yes. This gift is for the nose. Okay, let me them this one. Oh yeah. Oh what the? Why do you give me this gift? There's something wrong with my fucking nose. Next one is this cup. Oh yeah.
Wow.
This one is yes. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Yes. 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 Yes.
What kind of hat is this?
Oh my god. Thank you very much.
Ito na, dito naman.
Ako, vitamin C.
Mimo.
Ano man ito? Open lagi ni open.
Duha ka t-shirt.
Ako ah?
Oh.
2 t-shirt for me. This one black here and this is USA here. Oh yeah. My brother got 2 t-shirts. And mine is so special. This motherfucker nose up. It's a nose up. We're just gonna fix it.
Gift of my ate.
Hindi, pag-iipan sa Jing. Dito, Jing. Dapat si Jing.
Right, si baby Brian.
Jing. Jing.
Okay,
Jing. Tabahin mo. Oh.
Oh
yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes. What's that? Wow. What's that? I really love this motherfucker. Wow.
Open na. Kani open. This one. Here. Dali.
Wow. So pretty.
Kani di ay surprise. Oh. Ano pa?
Nakoy napansin din.
Wow, may gift ng sapatos.
Wow. Toothbrush.
Bio.
Kanina gift. Super Mario. Kay. Libre niya sa McDo. That's mean that gift was so free in McDonald's gift. Yeah.
Ay, dry.
Yes, gift. Say mo yung kate.
Thank you.
Say hi to the camera.
Ayun.